Welcome to the Investing Podcast presented by Tusk Media. The final bell has rung and the market is now closed. So let's move on to an audio and video recap with the Investing Happy Hour.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Investing Podcast, as always presented by Tusk Media. Today is still Tuesday, September 6th, 2016. I am intern Garrett, joined for the, what do we call this? The Investing Happy Hour by the unit, Matt Krebsbach. How you doing?
Not bad. How are you?
Good, man.
How's your day?
Longer than usual. Yeah, it was a lot longer than usual. I just was reading all day, reading laws and
That's not good reading.
No. Do you remember studying for the Series 65?
Oh, that's what it was?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the bad part.
It's pretty brutal. It's a dense read. All right, starting with markets, the Dow is up 0.25%, the S&P is up 0.3%, the NASDAQ is up exactly 0.5%, global Dow is up 0.63%, gold had a great day, up 2.09%, and oil is up 0.88%, a classic GREENGASM, as Andrew would put it.
Trademark.
Yeah. All right, tell us a little bit about the ISM data.
Yeah, so the service, that's like stands for the service data that they release, and it wasn't the best. And that's kind of why you got that GREENGASM, just because the markets are kind of pricing in the Fed not raising rates. That's kind of like the read-through. I think they're not going to do that.
Right, it reacted
and that's
really
kind of
late
why,
to
that's
it.
why you see, especially with gold up 2%. Kind of that's a huge jump, and that's kind of why.
Right.
That's kind of interesting.
Yeah. Also, it's interesting that it kind of, I guess, bounced back a little bit, because last Friday we had the jobs report, which was a little under, and I can't remember, did it close pretty down on Friday, or was it like pretty flat?
I want to say pretty flat.
Yeah,
I
I think it was pretty flat.
Seems like it was a long time ago.
But it came back today. All right, GE, General Electric. Today they announced that they are going to acquire two 3D printing firms, one of which is out of Sweden called Arcum AB, and another one is out of Germany called SLM Solutions Group. They are buying these two firms for a combined $1.4 billion, so pretty large acquisition.
I thought that was kind of interesting too, because Hewlett Packard is kind of like getting into 3D printing.
Oh, really?
And I'm a pretty big Hewlett Packard fan. Like they also,
I
like,
think that's the first time I've ever heard that.
They also do like printing and laptops and all that stuff.
Right.
But for HPQ, they're trying to get into like the industrial side of HP printing, or 3D printing.
Right.
Sorry. And I don't know. I feel like that's kind of like a
Yeah, that's the exact play that GE is trying to make. I was reading. So they want to do all industrial improvements and printing and stuff, but their main thing right now is making aircraft engine parts. So they can design things more in depth, and the parts come out lighter and more durable than what you would just make in a factory or whatever.
Those industrial printers are like crazy expensive too.
Yeah,
They're
yeah, I bet
hundreds of
they are.
thousands of dollars.
If it's making an airplane engine or
crazy.
parts of it, and that kind of freaks me out. I don't know if I want to ride in an airplane that came out of a printer.
Yeah.
The concept is kind of weird, but I guess I'll trust them for now. They've already implemented some little parts into it that have been successful.
I would love to see how that works, like in person, like watch it print that stuff.
Yeah.
I would love that.
I can't wait till
Really
it gets down to a personal level. I have a 3D printer in my house.
Yeah.
I think it's going to go the way of like, I'm not smart. I can't design stuff on the computer, so I think it's going to be the really smart people make their designs and then sell them online. Like you can like print up a hammer or something at home if you need it.
It's
gonna
good
be pretty
business.
sweet.
If you're
Yeah.
good programmer or whatever.
Yeah, hopefully that implements sooner than later. All right, Apple.
Yeah, so Apple has their big tech meeting tomorrow at like 1 o'clock, I think it starts. Where they reveal all tomorrow's going to be definitely the iPhone 7, and I can't remember what else they're doing. I know they're trying to make a new MacBook, but I don't know if they're going to show it off there.
Right.
What do you
Interesting that they're releasing the iPhone 7 on September 7th.
I think that's a coincidence.
I'm like a big conspiracy guy. I think some fishy's going on.
You excited to see the 7 though? See what it's
Absolutely
like?
not.
No?
Just super uninterested.
You're not that
No.
big.
I have an iPhone, not the guy that's waiting in line for 3 days and a 10.
What do you have, a 6?
I think I have a 5. I'm really not sure. I think it's a 5, 5C.
5C.
That's what I have, because I got a
dated.
white one. Yeah, a 5C.
Are you going to get an upgrade soon?
I don't know. I got to talk to my mom. I just looked really lame.
Yeah, the thing is about iPhones, I think, like you're probably perfectly fine with the iPhone 5C. Like,
Right, yeah, it works fine.
I mean, I like my 6, but I'd be fine with the 5C.
You're not gonna be waiting in line?
No.
Yeah.
I'm under contract anyways.
The implementation of this phone will be very interesting
Yeah.
to watch. I think it's gonna be pretty underwhelming.
Like, Apple's so big too, like it affects so many other companies, like all the chip companies we talk about, like,
Right.
I mean, it affects a lot of stuff.
Right, yeah, we'll have to see.
Mhm.
All right, everybody, this has been the Investing Podcast. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Not bad.
Tusk Media is a subsidiary of Narwhal Capital Management. Ratings and reviews of Tusk Media content are not to be construed as endorsements of opinions, analysis, or services offered by Tusk or its parent company. The opinions and predictions shared here are our professional beliefs at the time of publication. We are not under duress from any of the corporate entities mentioned. This is not a solicitation to take any particular action. Although we are investment advisors, this information should not be considered investment, legal, or tax advice. We strive to be as impartial, insightful, and accurate as possible. We base our opinions, analysis, and calculations on information we believe to be reliable, but we cannot guarantee its accuracy. We can, however, guarantee that our opinions will sometimes be flat out wrong due to a variety of factors. Employees and clients of Narwhal Capital Management may or may not hold positions in the securities detailed and may or may not hold these positions in the future. A full list of all securities purchased, sold, or held during the 12 months preceding the date of this publication can be provided upon request. Unless otherwise noted, all data accessed via MarketWatch or the Bloomberg terminal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. A copy of Narwhal's Form ADV is available at the SEC's website, www.advisorinfo.sec.gov, or from Narwhal upon written request.